YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Q here with Kickstand BST Buy Sell Trade. Holla at me, let me know if you guys have any interest in any purchases. This is a Supremacy beater box. Just got it in the mail. It took about 7 days coming from Cali to CT. It's a long way. So I already cut the box open. Let's see what we got. I already see some heat right off the back. This is supposed to be a box of size 9 to 10. Right off the rip though, we got some kids shoes, it looks like. LeBron South Beach, fire. These come with no box, these are without a box. Size 6.5 youth, but these are in awesome shape. Look like they've been worn a few times. The bottom's a little dirty, but no creasing, anything like that. Slight shoe lint, I mean, they are fire. That's dope kicks to get without a box. Hit me up down below for pricing. Crispy. Right, let's move on to the next ones. Next up, we got the Jordan Retro box. Probably, yep, Jordan Son of Mars. Size 10. Really not too bad. Nice and clean. Bottom's very slight yellowing in awesome shape. Wow. Come with the lace locks. Hit me up. I will hook you up for the right price. No creasing. Nubuck suede is good. OG box. On to the next. We got a LeBron Elite box. Woo! Already know what this is. LeBron Iron Man. Fire. Wow. And these are maybe worn a couple times, twice, maybe 3 times. Great condition, no creasing, cracking, no scrapes that I could see. Those fire, man. Hit me up for pricing. Come with a pack of laces. Next up, Nike box. Another LeBron, size 6 youth. These are the LeBron Jade. And these are obviously kid size. Worn, bottom's a little dirty, but they're pretty crisp. Just need a little cleaning on the bottom. No scratches, scrapes that I could see. Again, those are the LeBron Jades, 6 youth, and this is a replacement box. It's LeBron it says, but it's a replacement box, not the right box. No big deal. Next up, got a Jordan Retro box, light graphite, size 10. Hey, gray graphite 14s, wolf gray 14s, whatever you want to call them. These are worn, a bit dirty, but slight creasing. Not a bad shoe. These will definitely clean up good. A little dirty, but still wearable. Still got the size tag inside. 2011 joints. here. Yeah, I get the picture. All right, next up, we got Jordan 11 low, black infrared. Hey, we got infrared lows, size 11. Woo! Smell the freshness. These are very, very crisp. These are probably a 9 out of 10 shape. A little bit of black sock stuff on the inside. But those are in freaking awesome condition. Still nice and clean. No scrapes, no scratches. Again, infrared lows. These are a size 11. Fire. Just gotta get a little cleanup. A little bit of creasing over here. But again, nothing major. Boy, it's hot. Sweating out here. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Alright, we got 2 boxes left. Next up, we got a Nike box replacement. Actually, it's the OG box minus the sticker. So these are the SB Christmases, ugly Christmas sweater, I believe. And these are worn maybe, a few times. The bottoms are in really good and decent condition. Slightly dirty, but actually very nice. These are a dope kick, size 10. Not bad. Damn, it looks like I got the fire box so far. That's what's up. And I keep putting the shoe back in the box. Alright, last but not least, we got a Jordan Retro box. Looks like Jordan Spizike, size 10. Another pair. These look to be maybe worn once. They look almost very near dead stock. Yeah. This is the looks like the wolf gray colorway. Clean shoe. Has all the stars. Definitely had to be maybe worn once. Comes with the black lace lock. Very clean. Again, all these shoes are for sale. Hit me up for prices. Any questions, let me know. Everything obviously is 100% authentic. Everything I sell outside of this is 100% authentic. So, holla at your boy. Let me know.